This is a place many of you might recognize. Some of you might have even grew up watching this place. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it might be a little more familiar now. And today, we're gonna be doing some pit bike racing.
Oh, I got you! Not this time, buddy! Damn, huh? Inside gate! Bye! Where you going now, buddy? Got you!
What's he got back here? A bunch of shit.
Hey, Lemur. Hey.
Hello? Is anybody home? Oh, I got all the merch to myself. All right, well, they're not here, so I gotta unload my pit bike first, though. Get back, Lemur. Get back. Nuh-uh. Go jump in the pool or something.
Dang. Christian Lee with the rust?
There we go. I took my kickstand off because every time I ride this thing with the kickstand, my kickstand ends up falling down, so I took it off. Dude, your grips
are trash.
So are mine.
Is this water?
No, it's fruit punch. It's hydro power. Helps with your arm pump. Garrett, please, dude. Please, Garrett. Please. What? He's blown out of his nose. I put 3 scoops in there. It's like pre-workout, but it's for dirt bike riding.
Oh, great. So I just drink pre-workout?
No, it's not pre-workout. It just helps with your arm pump.
I'm literally going to the movies in an hour. I don't.
Electric lights.
I don't need to be sitting.
Yeah, it's electrolytes and... Braden, where you at? I heard there's a new jump. Is it good? You sure? You're not lying to me? All right, word. I'm about to wax that ass. You going down, buddy. How are you? Yeah. And Christian too. Christian's going down as well.
I'm the fastest pit bike rider I've ever.
Yeah, you wish, buddy. You wish.
I am.
Oh, Garrett with the tire tap. The buddy bike. I didn't check my GoPro mic, so I'm just relying on Jesus to keep it intact. Oh, big wheelie guy. That thing is deep now. Let's see it. Oh, the no footer. What's buddy got on the pit wheeler? Oh, dude, I swear he's better at pit wheelers than pit bikes. Oh, they blocked off the shortcut here. It's good for that. It's a little like short for how steep it is. Oh, Garrett boots that shit. I don't do it that much. My suspension bottom's out. Hey, you got gas at your house? My gas light's on. You don't have any at all? No. Fuck, man. Bro, my gas light's on.
Yeah, mine is too. It's okay.
We're in this together.
Yeah.
We're all in this.
Oh, hand hug.
I hate this roller. It's really steep. Oh, the seat bounce, that was sick. Bro, that seat bounce was sick.
Do you like that?
Yeah, it looked real good.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, can I ride that?
Yeah.
It's slowly starting to turn into a good pace track. You gotta kick it?
No, it's on. Oh, no, it's not. It's down here.
Wow.
Ripping the buddy bike. Damn, dude, your fucking grip is twisting. You. Damn, this thing is way smaller than my bike. Nah, get me off this thing. Too small.
Dude, it's tiny.
Way too small.
I gotta try that 125.
Yeah, take her for a rip.
Yeah, I like that thing.
Yeah, I know. F these kids' bikes. Take them back.
Fuck this bike. Dude, that thing moves too.
Yeah, it's just sketchy for me because that thing being so long and bottoming it out like right at the face, it's sketch.
Yo, your front brake is tight.
Yeah, I gotta fix the rears. They go down too far. The rear brakes on that one's real good.
Yeah.
Let's line them up. Oh boy.
Well, we know who's winning this race. This guy.
Nope. I don't care. Yeah, get in here. I'm starting, so when I go, that's tight.
Where it's touching elbow, touching weenuses. Bro, what? I thought we were gonna do a start, bro. I didn't know we were going off the buddy bear. I'm cheating, I don't care. Whoa! You good?
Whoa!
Y'all good?
Front end washed out. Oh, how did I not die? Dude, front end washed.
Oh my gosh.
Are you okay?
How's the
I think
leg,
I'm
bud?
good. My leg hurts.
My leg hurts.
Dude, I came out of that turn. I was like, damn, I got so far ahead. I came that thing hot. So see y'all.
What happened this in front of me? Garrett like lunged over the handlebars like 50 feet.
You good, bro?
Slid out under the
Yeah,
bike.
y'all okay?
Is this front tire fucking good?
Yeah. Front tires are washed.
Were you used to this thing?
Completely washed, huh?
Were you used to this thing and then you just didn't switch back or
I
what?
don't know. I honestly just think I just had maybe too much weight on the front end. It just washed out.
The dust cloud was like up in the trees.
Yeah, it was,
Like,
that was gnarly.
did you see it all happen?
Yeah.
Oh God.
Oh god, that's a lot of blood.
I'm out.
Dude,
You're out. I'm out. That's why I don't like the pit bikes.
that's why I don't like pit bikes.
Bro, we made it out of the first turn.
I thought we were gonna like throw a rock or something. I didn't know we were going when Buddy went. Like,
I'm so slow off the line.
well, I figured that out, but I was just sitting there. I was like, I turned my bike off. My bike was off. I had to turn it on. Y'all were just in the first corner.
Off the line, boys.
Let me go get that ice up.
Yeah, you might want to put some ice on that one there, bud. Did you watch it happen?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Christian went under. Garrett went.
Over.
No, Garrett didn't go over. Garrett just went through him. Garrett launched over.
Dude, I just hate that like he got knocked out of riding so quick.
Yes, I am. We went one corner.
Yeah, we went one corner.
We were starting from here. We starting from the start.
We're gonna start from here, and I'm just gonna put the bitch in second and send her.
All right, let's do it. We're starting in position or what?
Is he just going?
I don't know. Let's go. Oh, Ryan's coming. Damn, Ryan.
The dust, man. Inside Garrett! Ah!
Oh my God! Yeah, baby!
Bro, stop ripping so hard on that thing.
Ryan, what happened to your arm, bro?
Dude, I got no idea.
Oh my God, that was so much fun.
All day.
Dude, I couldn't pass Ryan. Ryan would go wide and cut me off. I was like,
You
dude.
yelled at me one time. I don't even know what you said. Somebody.
I was coming on your inside and you started going on his inside and I locked it up into you.
Oh, that was in the last corner. We're so sick. That's where I got the pass on you.
Yeah, I just couldn't catch back up.
All right, what are you guys thinking? Another one?
Bro.
Hey, Ryan.
Ring around the field. I slid out here on my old YZ450. I was going like third gear. Oh, Miller's right there. Oh, I'm neutral. Dude, this game's so fun. Oh! It's a high-speed chase. Bye! Hey, there's Garrett. Oh, no neutral. Ah! He got me. Wait, did you get one of them?
I got Garrett.
Oh, I didn't know that.
This is good against the pit bikes and a team effort because I was able to slow Ryan down.
Yeah, big time. I hit neutral right there.
All right, who's it? Damn, dude.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. cussing me out. I see his legs. Miller's way more nimble on that thing than I am, so I just got to get him with speed, but I'm going to move on. I don't see myself getting him anytime soon. I'm going to need help for that joker. Now we got to find Braden and Garrett. Oh, there they are. Oh, there's Miller. I'm getting dizzy! Car! Alright, fuck it. It's pretty nice. He's just so much faster than me, I'm full throttle! You bastard. Oh, Garrett! Oh, why is Garrett so fast, bro? Maybe I need to go for Braden. Yeah, let's move. I'm going for B. Garrett's just too fast on that thing. He's just gonna go in circles. He don't know who I am. Roll the clip. Oh, he juked me! Ah! Oh, I got you! Oh, my bars are hella crooked. Bro, my shit's like this now.
Oh my god.
Holy shit.
I didn't think it hit me that.
Alright, hold up. I gotta...
Oh, bro, it's screwed.
Yeah.
Bro, that gun sounded good. Did you get it?
Yeah, I got him.
Fixed it?
Yeah, I think it's good now. Garrett, I will punt your ass. He's just doing wheelies. Woo, stick! Where you going now, buddy? Got you. Here, bro, I got you. I got you. Come on, Garrett, get up. I'm helping you.
I bumped it in neutral. Bro, that is back. I don't care. He's behind him full-time cop. Yeah, right? Buddy. What did you smoke him? I gotta go watch.
He's so fast. Like, it's not even fair how fast this kid is.
Bro, you only knocked your head over.
Had to get him somehow. It's been long enough.
We'll see a partner.
See you, Garrett.
Right there, right there, right there.
Bro, f you and how fast you are on that thing. Like, you were just cruising. I came up to you full speed and you just pulled away from me on the street.
Nobody can get me.
Yeah, it's stupid, dude. See ya. I'm gonna check at grandma's because I know Miller likes to be sneaky. He can be anywhere. Oh, he's down there. Yep. The horses are running with Braden. That looks sick. That looks so cool. All right, where's this nerd at? He likes to lurk in the shadows. I know how he rolls. Oh, Miller. Bro, he's definitely, he either tucked behind there or he went over there to the chicken coop. Miller! Bro, where in the F did he go? If he's circling around like a little bitch right now, I swear. Dude, this guy is Houdini. There he is! Which way, buddy? I'm not moving.
Come on.
Hey, there's Lemur.
There's Lemur.
Hey, Lemur. I got it! That little sneaky dog. Ah, lawnmower. I'm in hot pursuit, but he's so fast. He's so fast. You're too good, bro. Bro, what? This guy just makes places out of nothing. Not this time, buddy. He went out the back door. He's done it twice. He's going this way. Come on. He's back there. I see him. He's in the pool. Oh, hey, Miller.
Hey.
I really want to jump in that pool. Get him, Dad. Get his ass.
No, Braden.
Oh, he's about to jump. Miller's about to jump. Told you he went through the back door. Oh, now he's doing donuts on the burnout pad. Don't think you sneaky boy. Ah, tree. No. God, stop being so good at this game.
I did not think you were gonna follow me through those woods, bro. I saw the biggest spider web.
Bro, I used to trail ride. Are you kidding me? Dude, I straight up plowed Braden and Garrett. I just ran into him. Woo, that was fun.
Oh my God, let's go get in the pool, dude.
Yeah, I'm down. I need some Wawa. Ah, what a game. Dude, he got me through this door right here twice. Like, what?